Hi folks, it's Anthony from Lloyd's Classic Car Auctions here, and today I'm introducing this 1970 Ford Falcon XY GS factory tow ute from the Unreal Collection. This is one of the most heavily spec'd utes built by Ford. It was used to tow Alan Moffats Mustang and is still fitted with the original engine. It is believed to be one of only a few utes with that dealer code 3999. Amazing. This very special Falcon is going under the hammer live at our Sydney facility on Sunday, the 29th of January at 12 p.m. as part of the Unreal Collection and our Grand Carmada event. For more information, visit lloydsauctions.com.au or give us a call on 1800 456 588. We'll see you at the auction.